Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And from here, just enable the toggle for Apple Intelligence. After you enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone, then tap on Talk to Siri and make sure you press the side button for Siri. And after you have done that, you will be able to launch Apple Intelligence by pressing and holding the side button on your iPhone. Now, if the side button on your iPhone launches Siri instead of Apple Intelligence, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the power button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now just go to your home screen. Now if you have restarted your iPhone and if this also did not enable Apple Intelligence, then go back to Settings and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And from here, just disable Apple Intelligence, then enable it back on. And once you do that, you will enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. And this is how you can enable Apple Intelligence on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.